Wanna come for help me sing or wanna come for dance? Which one are it? Good morning, good morning. Me can't see comment them. And say who it a come from. But good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. I'm cleaning. And when me clean my life, I wind up myself. Yes. You finished cleaning? Whoever said that? Not me. Not me. But I get so tired. I wish you would stay long. I feel I go when I clean. Yes. I take a whole heap of break. I wind up myself, yes. But me want to talk to you before me. I put on back the music. What are they? What they saying on the world I want. What are they? Yeah. Me soon put on back the music. So people, let me bring it up so I can sit down on the staircase. Alright. Hold on there. Hold on. Hopefully you can see me. One more stair. Okay. Yes, you can see me. So people, good morning, good afternoon. Me that clean so I'm not judge me. Yeah, clean and sweat. Yeah. Part of my exercise that. Yeah. So, listen up people. Today's your birthday, whomever that is. Like I said, I can't see the names. I can see the comments, but I cannot see the name. So if today's your birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Me did that dance a long time. So I want to think say I look at dancing, you have to make me out of breath. Me a dance all the way round at the laundry room, come through and come round here. So since me come here, me a dance. Me a wind up a long time. You hear me? Me a wind up. Yes. So, guys, listen, before me put on back the music and wind up myself. So, last night, me go upstairs and in one of my guest room and I watch sitting on YouTube, right? And I fall asleep up there. Yes, I fall asleep. Me fall asleep and me a dream. And me dream like somebody a hold me down. Hold me down in my bed. And me a scream, but it come like nobody can hear me. And in a dream, it's like me have my eyes them open. And me a see myself, I move around in a room and I scream and I said, you're like somebody that in a spirit. And I cannot get up for the life of me. How much I wanna have them type of dream there? So I get up and come downstairs. Yeah, because me accidentally fall asleep up there and come down. Me say afraid, I don't want to go back up there. Go sleep. So now tell me if I dopey. You don't think I dopey in my guest room? Eh? You don't think I dopey? What me do to get rid of dopey? Yes, me feel like a dopey. Yeah, so it's now wall me down on the bed. Yes. Sit like a wall me down on the bed. And all me a try to come out I dream. Me can't come out I dream. But in I dream, it's like me have my eyes open and I see myself. I walk around in the room. Yes. So I wanna think. I don't pick up them and need some advice. What me fi do? Yes. Me no want to go back up there. You have them dreams, them episode that too? Yes, Kiri, me I tell you. Me have a one them when me dreams them like all me there bathroom too, you know. Yes. And me have to fly up out of bed. Me no nyam later and have no nightmare. Me no lock nyam later and go to my bed. Me no nyam. Me just up there and watch one video and fall asleep. So I want to know if I duppy up there. Because now I'm afraid to go up there. I don't know, so me and duppy not agree. Yeah. Good morning, whomever just said good morning. I don't know, me and duppy don't agree. That happened to me before. Yes, man, me say, it's whatever it was that hold me down up there, it wouldn't let me go. I fight, you know, man. Me say, put on some fight, you know. But me couldn't get up, but all me know me did a fight. Me fight back, me lay down like no punk. Yeah, me lay down like no punk. Me kick it up your ass, remember me tell you. Me lay down like no punk. You hear me? Yeah. Me name punk out the thing. Man, yeah, man, I be telling him some bad word, you know, man. Yo, me tell him all I bad word them. What me know. All of them, me tell it duppy. Yeah. And then when the bad word now walking on people, me start telling about some Jesus, you know, man. And the part them, my eyes them, me see my eyes them open. I'm in a room and I call out Jesus and some spirit and something when me hear them saying at church. And that me try, you know, man. Me think of that help me make me wake up, you know. Me just start repeat something when me hear them say at church. Me not understand it, but at that me remember, I'm a rip it on him. Yeah, me don't know if a man duppy or a woman duppy. Yeah, but me don't see duppy, but me know sit now hold me down. Yeah. Now me no want drop asleep upstairs. Not even want go up there go clean. Cause me know say me and duppy now. Yeah, me and duppy no play. Me and duppy no get along. Yeah. Me and duppy no agree. Me I tell you now. Him the strong to man. He duppy, whatever duppy that is, the duppy that feed pan dumpling. And yam and banana and sitting there. Now American food, this a duppy I eat. This a duppy I name out of my pot when me cook. Me not ask you know. Because it duppy strong. Yeah. Me not ask you nothing. Yeah. A strong ass duppy. An American duppy. Because if an American duppy, me could have taken down that the duppy, but the duppy fight me back. Yeah, and I'm a Yankee duppy this. This a duppy a take plane. Come up here. Me know a yard duppy this. Because when me a rip it bad about them, it's like it duppy no budge. So you can't tell say a sitting, it duppy used to. It duppy hear them the before. And like whatever. Your BC, your RC, that now move me. Whatever you want to say. It hold me down. Yeah. And when me start rip up some sitting when me here in a church now. Coming like this a duppy a dancehall duppy. This a duppy a no God church. It coming like this a duppy a. Yeah, this a duppy a no God church. A sinner duppy this. Yeah. Yeah. This a duppy used to out a road and them sitting there. Yeah. Me not ask you now. Me tell you know what happened. Yeah. 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 And me not know if me want drop asleep up there. Me don't know if me want go up there. And me alone home. Me don't know if me want go up there go clean. Good thing up there stay clean. Nobody not up there. Yeah, nobody not really up there. But me like to go up there go dust. And me not going up there until Mike come home. Yeah. And he must go follow me go up there. Yeah, me not care who no one call me. Say me a punk. Me no business. Yeah. Duppy is sitting where me can't see. And when me can't see me afraid of. You see if me could have did see the duppy now. You know who me up against. Then me would have a problem going up there. Because me know who me up against. Me know what me need to go up there. Me can't see out the duppy. So what me I gonna bring up there? Bring bat? How me I gonna lick it duppy if me can't see duppy? How me I gonna fight it duppy? Yeah. Oh no, come try call me no punk. Me no punk because if me and punk, me wouldn't get up. You understand? Me fight the hell back. Me fight the duppy back. Me not ask you know. Yeah. But me not go up there go put. Suppose duppy take up residence up there. I'll do a family house. Me can't see it. Me cannot see it. You understand? Just go and live up there and leave me alone. Yeah, that's all me say. Just go and live, be comfortable and leave me alone. Sorry for coming in your room, come fall asleep and disturb you. Just don't come down here. Yeah. I mean alone there here, just stay up there and don't come down here. That's all me have to say. Yeah. And a joke thing, people. And I might think you're funny, but I'm not joke. Yeah. Yeah. And you should have seen me. I try to get up. No power to get up. Weak. Weak, you see? Yeah, but me fight. In my weakness, me fight. Me fight and me class it up here. In the beginning of PBC, all of the C's them. Where you can think about me telling. But it up here a rebel. That never budget Duppy. Duppy are hardcore. Yeah, Duppy hear them there. Grow up on them there. Me I tell you, I'm a foreign Duppy. I'm a foreign Duppy. Because when me there in New York, me think one Duppy did come in our house. And a foreign Duppy that. And when me chip a BC and RC and them sitting there, no more, no more, no more. A foreign Duppy. Get up out our house, me I tell you. Yeah, it's a mad Jamaican this. Take off. Never come back. The one ya board a plane, go through immigration, and there. Me not ask you no. Yeah. Call Vanilla. What Vanilla I gonna do? With them up here. If me can't manage it up here, you think Vanilla can manage it up here? Eh? Vanilla talking, get away! Get out! Get out! Get away! Up here. Look at more Freya, girl. You know what I mean? Vanilla, get away from here. Leave us alone. Leave my friend Chocolate alone. Get out of her house. And I'll be like, white girl, more Freya, so. What? Yeah. Sit down over there, so one side. Yeah. Where you go with that? Move from here. Get out of here. You see what I say? Me can't call Vanilla. What call Vanilla? Really? Because it's Vanilla a parachute off a place on a thing say she bad like that? Yeah. This a Duppy a big stone. This a Duppy a big stone way. Yeah. Me not ask. Vanilla come with a little Karachi business. That never work. Yeah. Cut this Duppy a go cut this her. I don't want me put my friend in a danger. No. I don't want me put my friend in a danger. I don't know say them the Duppy there. No play. I don't want me call Vanilla over here to come tell the Duppy, get out of here. Leave my friend alone. Go. Huh? That's not nice. Leave her alone. Get out of her house. Leave her and her husband while you in here. There are many other houses you can go and live. Duppy said, girl, shut up. Shut up your mouth. We are shut up. For yes, some more I live, and yes, some me I live. You know? Then Vanilla gonna look at me now and say, he's so rude. That Duppy is so rude. Chocolate. I'm just gonna go home. That Duppy is so rude. No manners. Like, yeah, I'm scared. Yeah, he's violent. You know what I mean? At that, I got happen. You understand me? So me can't call Vanilla. Me cannot call Vanilla. The best bet me have are with Mike. Yeah, are with Mike. And between you and me, me a whisper, me a tell her. Although Mike had a soldier in a Jamaica Defense Force, the boy afraid of Duppy too. What kind of soldier that? Afraid of Duppy. Me think him afraid of Duppy too. Yeah. Afraid of Duppy. Because him not like to sleep alone. You understand? Not like to sleep alone. And when him there, when me gone away, and him there, me have to call him to make sure him fall asleep. Yeah. So tell me, no soldier that was afraid of Duppy. You walk around with big gun, training and everything, sleep out of the yard, building and then sitting, because it look like he may have other soldier with him, you know. And not him alone when he used to go, I like the governor house. And tell me all about them places that when he used to guard at Jamaica. You understand? But it look like other soldiers, they did it. And when time the boy come here now, come live, me realize, say, him afraid of Duppy. Yeah, him afraid of Duppy too. I hope him now listen. But me I tell you the truth, you know some me not like for lie. And me not gonna lie. I'm afraid of Duppy too. Yeah. So, me sure now. In turn up all on the wall there, so I have one picture with him in an army clothes. Like him a bad man, a son pose funny. And people come here and be like, oh, look at the soldier. Yeah, the soldier look roughy man behind the vehicle and the bad man soldier. And me a dying to tell them, well, this is a soldier, yeah, I'm afraid of Duppy. Yeah. I don't know. And a them kind of soldier there. You know what I mean? And a them kind of soldier they were brave about everything. This a soldier, yeah, afraid of Duppy. Me not ask you, me I tell you. When me gone all of Jamaica, and when it reach out 9, 10 o'clock up here, cause them time they in go bed, me have to video call him and stay there with him on the phone till him fall asleep. Not but I tell me say him miss me and want to talk to me because him alone in her house and him afraid of Duppy. Him not go upstairs when him alone there here. Me brave enough to go up there, my office up there, and my work up there every day. But him not going up there if I him alone there. Uno don't tell him, say me tell him, because me know uno chatty. Me know uno chatty. Me I tell him all of this. Me no want to go back with no back and belly business and go tell him. You understand me? Yes. Uno my BFF, uno my kings and queens, and me can share things with uno. Yeah, the boy afraid. So when him come here now and me tell him, say me hear something upstairs, me can't tell him that. Say that happened to me upstairs. Because him not gonna want to go up there with me. You understand? Me I forgot just tell him, say, man, come let me and you go upstairs now. A long time when I go upstairs, go hang out or come, you can try print sitting for me. After I print in my office, something I forgot use my brain like that. Me can't tell him, say it's a dopey situation. You understand me? It not gonna work. It not gonna work. If me tell him it's a dopey situation, it not gonna work. But look how no make me sit down here and I sat the morning. My daughter supposed to come over here and wash me hair and braid up my hair for me so I can fling on back my wig them later. Yes, that's what me do. Me love wig. Me have woolly for them and woolly in a bungle. Yes. So she ever come. She said, Mommy, make sure when I come you're ready, you know. When I wash your damn hair and braid it up. Yes. So me there I have big chat. Yes, I'm not done clean. And I tell you now about Mike. But me that to tell you about the Duppy. Because a real thing, I need somebody to tell me what to do. To get rid of the Duppy. Because I feel like him still up there. Yeah, I'm not going up there again, go try fall asleep. No. Tired. I'm not going up there tired. Yes. So that happened to me last night. Yes. Me I go up. You go tell Mike. You say that's why I not like company you can tell on business. Because you know you are going to tell Mike. Why you are going to tell him? So you just want me abandon me upstairs and not go up there? None at all? Or you don't like it? You have upstairs and you can't go up on your upstairs? You have to go just stuck on you? You are going to tell Mike now. After me pour out my heart and soul to you. What kind of thing that? Jesus, I'm going to go back and play my music and clean my house because I'm wrong for come up and I can tell on my business. No, I'm wrong. Let me finish clean my damn house. You understand? I can't tell her nothing. I play back your music. I can't tell her nothing. Right now, she go tell Mike. Oh, me go upstairs. Yeah, him or she or whatever because I can't tell her who. Oh, me go upstairs. Oh, me go live upstairs. Keep me company. That's why me come on, you know. That's why me come on. Oh, that's why me come on. Oh, the finger it out, huh? Oh, the finger it out. Why? That's why me come on. I say I'm not scared alone. Washroom and me not turn for my back. That's how me set in there. It up in my friend. Thank you for the star, darling. Thank you. Thank you Gotta love come up in here and tell me so. Yeah. Me now go ever make it dirty. Gotta love come, thank you, Jesus. I'll do it. Me not think it up afraid of you, Vanilla. Me not think it up afraid of you.
You not think it up afraid of me?
No, because if it up in afraid of me, me not think it up afraid of you.
Oh.
Yeah, me not think so. Vanilla, yeah, me not think so. Afraid of you. Oh, Jesus help me.
Well, at least you're not by yourself.
I know.
Right off the duppy.
May I tell you, say I'm afraid this morning. You
Afraid?
see, I run down here and I 1:30 because I fall asleep. You know the guest room up on me. On your right. And a duppy hold me down. You never watch it live?
I'm driving.
Yeah, a duppy hold me down. Yeah. And I tell you duppy one heap of bad word. I'm sitting. And the duppy would have never leave me alone.
All the bad words I'm never on the
And when you start telling duppy stuff me hear them saying at church. Like when they get in a spirit and say, at that time the duppy left me.
Oh.
Yeah. So, me just a try to tell her. So, then I say me fi tell Vanilla, me fi call Vanilla. Me tell her say I'm a foreign duppy this. Because when you go come now and say get out of here, and all of them, the duppy go look on you and laugh out for you. Yeah, so, yeah, you come and say get out of here, leave her alone, leave my friend alone. You know?
The duppy's just gonna laugh.
Yeah, the duppy just gonna laugh off of you and be like, go sit down in the corner there before. You
Before
know,
we come after you.
before me box you know. I saw the duppy that look like a son talk. Yeah, right. Before me box you down, girl. Sit down! Yeah. Yeah, I said, yeah.
Rough duppy that?
Yeah, duppy look like a them kind of duppy that I don't want the duppy rough you up, you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, my friend, I don't want you to get hurt by a yardy duppy, you see plan? I prefer you get slapped by your own duppy up here because they look like they will slap you soft, you know what I mean? I look a soft
slap.
Yeah, because you know, so them duppy up here feed on mashed potato and macaroni and cheese and then something. That the duppy that you know, so that the duppy have dumpling and yam and sitting for breakfast. Not even for dinner, no, breakfast.
Oh, breakfast.
Yeah.
Breakfast food, the duppy there now.
No, the breakfast.
Dinner food.
Yeah, duppy and then like steamed callaloo, you know what I mean? Steamed cabbage and saltfish and dumpling and banana. I saw that the duppy them thing, so that the duppy there. Yeah, them the food.
Oh, them the food.
Yeah, me get me duster for duster. Yeah, I feel like.
Well, one kings and queens, big up.
Yeah.
A bad man duppy, them say.
Yeah, bad man duppy. Me know so that I don't be a bad man duppy.
You didn't want him to come rough me up. I appreciate that still.
Yes, I'm keep it to myself. You know, I'm deal with him.
And you're running.
Yeah.
Mm.
They didn't want him to box you up and bruise you up because you know you're easy for bruise.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Bruise,
Next thing you don't go fight you. I don't know what my cut me does stop. A long one for each other. So sorry. Me didn't want the you don't if it bruise you up because you know you're easily for bruise. You know what I mean? Next thing you go beat you up and you come out looking like a lobster. Me didn't want that for you, so I work on it myself, I wait for Mike. Although you know I'm afraid of duppy, but I can't make it no duppy up there. If you go with me up there. When yeah. Cause me not think me and you can manage it. Yeah. I mean, we company and go like, they're not listen, so we can
They're not hear we.
They're not hear we.
No.
They know we company and go like we're a bad girl. You understand? And then things are we bad like that. So we can't make them know. You understand? Yeah. I could put on like a bad girl thing.
Yeah,
that's
man.
how them I watch.
All right.
We are go up there. We're not afraid of no
We're not afraid of no
We're not afraid of nothing. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, we're not afraid of nothing.
We're not afraid.
Bad girl from magazine laying this, yeah? Yeah, they're not.
That girl who do Superman pun.
Yeah, we're the Superman. We're a bad girl up there. We just all wait for Mike come still. For each year we go. We just need him to come do something for we up there.
Yeah, man. It mean forget the high spots.
Yeah,
like
I'm
tall.
Yes, like I'm tall.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what we need him for.
Yeah.
We don't really need him because we're afraid of no ducky.
No, we don't
afraid
need
of
him
no ducky.
because we're not afraid of no ducky.
Yeah, you need bad girl Vanilla and me a bad girl from magazine. We're not afraid of no ducky.
We're not afraid of
Yeah.
no ducky.
We just need a little company if we go up there.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So them I watch we know so where we go. In here what I say, okay. Me I read what them I say. In here them believe we know and believe we. Yeah, baby. So everybody Saturday, everybody are doing this Saturday, y'all. You can see the comment.
Let's say get a duppy in uptown.
I get the, yeah man, I'll get a duppy man, yes. Them I listen to it. Them I hear we. Them
didn't listen to it.
Them I
never know say, them could I hear.
Them could I hear?
No, I never know.
Yeah, we have to go up them man and prove it to them, say. Well, bad girl. You want to bring this round in the kitchen? Me have a kitchen left for them.
Alright, is the floor dry?
Yeah, it dry, it not take long for dry. It dry already. Yeah, bring in the kitchen. I have a dishes them to put away.
Oh, yeah, go grab that.
What? Yeah.
The speaker.
Yeah. Yeah. It might look easy, but I will if I work, yeah? I don't come talk about say. I don't know that chocolate. I know I'm telling you. Why don't meet me in the kitchen?
Alright. I'm afraid of duppy. Who said I'm afraid of duppy?
Who afraid of duppy?
Somebody say, Vanilla, you look like you're afraid of duppy.
Yeah, man, Vanilla. No, that's why I tell you I can't call Vanilla. The duppy, I know Vanilla can't manage. Yeah, Vanilla can't manage the duppy, yeah.
Where am I going to put this?
Put it over there, sir. Alright, there, sir. Put it there, sir. Yeah. Put it over there, sir. You have to lower it.
No, hold on.
Yeah. We call this down to ourselves, you know. We call this down in a Saturday and then come here, come laugh off it. And make fun of it. Because then we're afraid of duppy. You don't understand that. Yeah.
Who said me look scared? Uneasy.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not scared. Oh, you need to come down more.
Alright, I get there.
Second class, it cuts like a knife. Anybody submit no video yet today? We're going on WhatsApp. Anybody need to reach out to me?
I said both are afraid of the duppy.
Anybody need to reach out to me today's the day we go on WhatsApp, go check what messages. Yeah. Yeah, today the day. We go on WhatsApp and check the message. So if you have no questions in regards to the pageant or anything like that, we'll come up.
But we are coward.
We're not coward.
We are not coward.
We're bad girl. Bad girl. Get that right. BADGAL. Bad girl. From Magazine Lane. Me ain't telling us I'm a bad boy, duppy. Me ain't telling us I'm a bad when it comes to duppy. There are limitations to my badness. Me only bad. Me only bad with things that me can't see. Me can't see no duppy, so how me figure?
Go on like you're a bad
girl. Go on like a bad girl with duppy, and duppy can box me and me no see it. Me no see duppy. Me just a walk and I get boxed and kick and thump from all angles. And can't see nobody to fight back. How that can go work?
I want to tell him, say, I want to tell Michael about the duppy.
Don't tell him.
You can't tell him, man.
Me go want him.
You can't keep a secret for we.
Yeah.
Eh? You're not supposed to be able to keep the secret for we. That's not cool.
Right.
You don't have to throw me under the bus like that.
Throw it under us. Me tell them nothing. Me can't tell them nothing. Me think say they're my family. We can tell them secrets and stuff. No.
You go in front on me.
No, they won't use it against me. No, me can't bother. Him not go and go up there with me now. Yeah. Oh, thank you. You're such a nice friend. Yeah, help me. You're nice, see? I look like you're on camera.
No.
Yeah?
No.
You're nice like this all the time. You don't believe that she's nice like this all the time?
Yeah.
You don't believe that she help me?
Yeah. Then no.
You don't believe that she help me like this? Or because she's on camera?
No. Then no.
I saw she stay for real in real life. A good friend. Let me see what them a chat with say. Let me see what them a chat with say. The Duppy, they're right at the fridge. Look, vanilla. Oh, you can't see Duppy if it's true. You're not going to make me afraid, you know, man. Good morning, Duval. On the tappy, man.
Go upstairs, Vanilla. Because you're not afraid. Show Chaka how to handle the Duppy.
Yo! I love your ear, Vanilla. You wash your hair and blow it out? You just brush it out and come to look pretty for life. I make me look like I'll pop down somebody in the kitchen.
Want me to go there? Go show her no say me not afraid.
You go show up because then they on camera. That's why you go up.
But if Duppy up there, me I go run back down.
Yeah. Vanilla, you come over your doll up and make me want that little look pop down for the line. What kind of friend you is, eh? What kind of friend you is? Look how your ear nice and straight and nice. And look at me. Eh? What one? You have a lovely home. Oh, thank you so much for your love. Is that what you said? Thank you so much, but you want to clean it for me? Eh? You want to clean it? Yeah? Yeah? You want to clean it, so I'm going to have to go upstairs and encounter a Duppy. Yeah, lovely woman. Duppy take over upstairs. Duppy, come in. No, man, I got it. I got it. It's just to pull up a dishwasher. I got it. Yeah. Lovely woman, me can't whatever enjoy because Duppy take residence up there. Duppy take residence. Duppy take residence up there. Right now, Duppy put a lay down in a guest room up there. Cock up foot. And Duppy now pay no damn rent up there.
Yeah, I live free.
I live rocket free. Yeah, I don't think that's nice. Yeah, I don't think that's nice. Yeah, that's not nice.
No.
That's not nice. Yes, so they talk about the podcast. People, for all who never hear about it, they not talk about it because it's an opportunity.
Yeah, one.
And I know it's a good one.
Of course.
I mean, I want nobody can tell me so they don't want to participate, but they want the money that not go work. Not go work. Cause you have some people bright like that, you know. You have some people bright like that. Yeah, remember me tell you. I've seen it all. Me never know that you have so much damn bright people out there in a life. Yeah, we can tell me about say, oh, chocolate and vanilla. I don't want to participate because you know, but I still want that $500. No bother with it. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
You hear? Me used to hear people talk about people what coming on their inbox on social media. I never believe it till me start come on social media. The audacity what some people have, yeah? You don't never believe the audacity what some people have. Yeah, then we tell me say, get some holy water dash from them. Oh, you get the water for me holy.
If I boil it, will it be holy?
Oh, you get the water for me holy.
Put the Bible next to it, will it boil? Will it be holy?
Oh, you get it for me holy, people tell me. Oh, where you get holy water? Oh, me holy up the water. Because anything. Some sage, burn some sage up there.
Yeah,
that will work.
Somebody tell you to burn some sage.
Yeah, and me have to send out when me a burn the sage, or me just burn the sage.
And let
Eh? How you do it? How you do it?
They want to know if a woman Duppy.
Me don't know if a woman Duppy, but me know it's a strong Duppy. Me don't know if a woman Duppy, all me know is Duppy strong. Yeah, you want coffee?
Strong. Sure.
Which one you want? Yeah, all me know. It Duppy strong. Yeah, if one lean. All me know is a strong ass Duppy. Yeah. It's a strong Duppy. That's what me know. Me don't know nothing else.
What do you know?
No, me put water in. Don't knock it on here. Don't knock it on. Yeah, all me me know is a strong duppy. All me know is a duppy where it's not very timid. Yeah. You telling the duppy bad word, now go get rid of the duppy.
Now go get rid of the duppy.
Yeah, so. All
Then
me know
the
is
easy
strong.
for then the easy for fright.
No, the duppy not easy to frighten. Duppy not easy to frighten. You have to warm up the water for warm up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Then so if you just light the sage and walk around with it.
Just walk, like you see it and walk around with it. Okay. Me serious enough people, the things that me come by here, me know it might sound funny, but a serious sitting. 1:30.
And from the other day, me hear her talk about duppy, you know.
Yeah, me talk about duppy from what day, but I know what day happened to me last night. Yeah, me that talk about, I don't know, because me that talk about duppy. Duppy come visit me. Yeah. So, and not because of that, so me need to keep me not duppy on my mind when we go up there. Me did lay down, I watched some YouTube video.
I watched some. Oh.
And fell asleep. And then me start dream. And my dream said duppy a hold me down and me try to scream. And it scream can't come out. It's like a duppy dumb me too.
Oh.
Yeah. Me need another thing. Yeah, duppy dumb me.
Wow.
So people.
Then what? We've been friends for 29 years. They ask how many years we've been friends.
Yeah, 29 years, close to 30 years. We've been friends. Yeah. Me got it. Me can't clean the whole counter. Leave me alone.
I just to try to help you.
No, not trying to help me. Can't help me.
Alright.
Can't help me when I'm not on live.
I come help you when you're not on live.
Right,
Go on like me don't.
Can't help me when I'm not on live.
I help you when you're not on live.
You all look like you're nice like that.
I'm nice like that, yes.
I joke that like people should help me when you're not on live. Me love get for their nerve sometimes. Oh God. I don't have no friend who don't love get on their nerve. Huh? Yeah. Who for nerve me forget pan? If me can't get pan fear nerve. Yeah, Mike. Me get pan fear nerve all the time. I have to share it too much.
Oh, too much.
Yeah, too much fear nerve without killing nerve. Me have to spread it out. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so me have to take some.
Yeah, everybody were close to me have to take some.
What if me don't want it though?
You're not a choice. Yeah. If you're in my life, you have to take my good times, my funny times, my bad
the good,
times,
bad, and the ugly.
everything. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. When you have people where you call friends, my kings and queens, them have to go through some stuff with you. They can't just show up and talk about them a friend. They have to been through some things with you. You hear me? Yes. That's what friends all about. Now I have to go through
friends
some.
are for.
Yeah. She have to listen to me one time I bawl, time I cry. Yeah. Everything. Yeah, she have to go through whatever sadness life throws at me, whether it's with somebody out of my life pass away. Everything. Can't just show up when I good times, happy time. No. Yeah, you consider nobody can call themselves my friends and never been through some stuff with me. You have to been through some things with me.
Well, I can say I've been through some things with you, so.
Don't be no who frightened. So what you gonna tell me? Don't be find weak friends over here, sir? Eh?
That's what I say.
What you tell me say don't be find weak friends over here? But you like me as people.
Pauline and Monique, both of them say that.
Now make nobody get up and come put the title friend. You understand? And use it. Now use it loosely.
No,
Don't
you
use
can't use the word friend loosely.
Don't use it loosely. Friends supposed to be able to go through some things with you. Yes. Yes. For qualify as friends. Friends can't show up when it's all good and nice and feel like say you know, you have arrived and now it's convenient to consider your friend.
Yeah, when you go, and when something rough come along, then run.
And when things, yes,
when
come
things
along,
rough,
then run. You understand? Me can tell you so much story with me and Vanilla as friend. Yeah. Me can tell you so much. One time I did I get a, what? Let me take out my tonsil.
Yep.
That time you live in New Hampshire.
Yep.
And Vanilla. Mr. Vanilla, it's just a minor surgery. Just a minor surgery. Vanilla never want to hear that to cockroach.
Where did I come?
Vanilla Drive, and you know how far that is? Because from here to New York is like 14 hours.
That's
Well, if you're not, it depends on how much you stop.
True.
Yeah, and how much you fuel up.
True.
So, but we're going to get 14.
We're going to give it the high end.
Yeah, we're going to get the lower end 14, please.
Yeah,
Yeah, lower end 14.
Yeah.
And you know it take longer.
It does.
Depends on how much time you tap.
And which way you go.
And which way you go. And from New York to New Hampshire, it's like 3.5 hours. It depends on, like I said, how much time you stop as well.
And traffic.
So add that, we're getting lower end, it's 14 plus the 3, yes? 14, 17 and a half hours. 17 and a half hours this girl. Because she not take offense to girl. So I don't want nobody come here and talk about, yeah, call her girl. I just saw we talk, yeah. And she like the Jamaica lingua, yeah. So I have to give to her raw. Yeah. So this woman, this BFF of mine, she didn't want to take on a minor surgery, so she take it up on herself and drive herself come all the way out here. Yes?
And stay.
And stay. And every time me forget, me take my medicine. It's like she have it pan alarm. She set it up that every time I forget my medicine, me hear my room door knock.
Like clockwork.
Like clockwork, that is Vanilla. Come for me take my medicine. Now hear the part here. Vanilla said to me, so, and them I pay you from work. I said, of course. That was a long, long time ago. That was when I just moved down here. I live out here 16 years now. Yeah, and that was what, like, maybe 2 years after I moved down here. Yeah. So that's probably like, that's like 14 years ago when I had that surgery. So, Vanilla said, them a pay for me. I said, yes, because I'm out on surgery. And them pay me, yeah? Vanilla, that never good enough for Vanilla, my dear child. So me get up in the morning now, the morning when she leave. Me don't know how Vanilla did it. But the morning when she leave, me get up and I make up my bed. I make up my bed, me see this envelope under my pillow. Me don't know how girls sneak the envelope under my pillow. Yes, I never forget it.
Well, you were medicated, so it was easy.
Vanilla put an envelope under there and say, although you say you get paid, I don't care. Don't call me, I don't want to hear it from you. Vanilla left me $800 under my pillow. Yes, $800. Never forget it, Vanilla. I can't tell them so much story about you.
Can't tell them so much story about you too.
Unbelievable. So I'm just saying, when you have friends, you did it and Vanilla know, me that do this. She know me that do the same.
I know probably. Because when I got my surgery on my ankle, I stayed here.
Yeah?
I stayed here. Chocolate took care of me.
Yeah?
I stayed right here.
Yeah? Right here. Her husband like, you not come home.
Yeah? Every day I've asked me if you're not coming home.
Yeah.
But true, my bedroom at home is upstairs and could have just stayed here on the same one level.
Yeah, on this floor.
Yeah.
And I have bathroom, everything.
Yeah,
this
bathroom,
floor.
everything.
So she decided to stay. So me tell her, not she decide. Me say, you're not home.
Yeah.
Yeah, me say, yeah, stay here. Yeah.
When I had on the cash, she made sure she put on the plastic bag, everything. She do everything for me.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'll turn our bathroom and
Yeah.
set up a shower for you. My name
Yeah.
bathe you.
No, you
You're
didn't beat me.
Yeah, you're able to bathe
Yeah.
yourself. But me help you take off your clothes, everything.
Yeah.
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 So, friends not come loosely, you understand? The word friend show around too loosely. And that's why so many people get disappointed when so-called friendship turns sour.
True.
Because it already come up.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
It already come up and you're not prove. Yeah, there are things you have proven about that person.
Mm-hmm.
Me put Vanilla in a whole heap of situation to prove.
And vice versa.
Yeah, to prove her. Yeah.
And
I
vice
should
versa.
never feel none of them. Never. Yeah. Yeah. And we've been in situation where if find some people, it'll mash up friendship.
Yeah.
Because people try to come and tell me, say, this about Vanilla. People try to come and tell Vanilla this about me. Yeah. People discriminate against me. And even in a family, discriminate against a friendship. And now them want hype up and go on, like said, some people have amnesia and remember what they may say when we just become friends. Yes. Oh, Vanilla no wants to me mount out or nothing. Yes, all of them things there. Yeah, people.
A whole heap of things we'll go through.
Whole heap of things from all in a family. Yes.
Yeah.
And now, yeah, people want to jump on the bandwagon and go on like them were all up. They were all supportive of our friendship. Yeah. But my mother, before she died, she said, don't you ever, Vanilla is your sister, and don't you ever let anybody come between us. Yes, my mother loved the friendship that we had.
Yeah.
That we have, yes?
Yeah. She always said we come like bench and batty.
And yeah, and Chimney and Batty.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
and Bench and Batty. Yes. Yeah.
She said, will you see one?
You see the other. Yeah. And me, yeah. And when I met no man come between with friendship
No,
either.
that not happening.
No
either.
man now come
Nope.
between the sisterhood that we have. And let me tell you, there's nothing Vanilla and I haven't heard from people. They used to say we're dead.
Yeah.
They used to think we are couples. We's a couple.
We hear that enough.
We hear that enough. So when time people have come over here and comment that don't come like nothing.
That
to
no
it.
friends we
Because
know.
from once we know what we know, so we never do anything or have anything sexual. We just love each other as sister. We're not business when nobody wants to say.
No.
Yeah. We're not business when nobody wants to say.
None of them want to
Yeah,
say.
and we used to hear people whisper it in a store, and you know me and Vanilla, well, we probably don't know, but we give people things to talk about. We just go over, go hug her up, for them talk. Yes, yeah, on purpose. Hug her up, kiss her on her cheek. Yeah, to make people talk more. Yeah, yeah. We give them something to talk about.
Give them something to talk about.
Yeah, we hear people in a
Well,
line
give
a
them-
whisper.
Yep.
Yeah, and things that we don't know what them are talking.
We don't know what them are talking.
Yeah, oh, they're together. Oh, they're then I'm about to word them up. Oh, they're dykes or whatever.
Yeah.
Me just go over to when me hear them. Yeah, they just go over or if they talk in a patois. Cause yeah, Jamaicans say that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, me just go over and go and give them something to talk about. Yeah, yeah.
Them sitting there in a field with.
That no feels with.
Not
Cause
at
for
all.
when husband them know how close we is. Them know how we're sisters. Yes. And our family know too. Some people in our family they talk. I mean, me not gonna say all of them. Cause some of them used to think bad about me and Vanilla. And now some of them are going hype up and go on like say. Then we're all in agreement with friendship.
Yep.
And used to be jealous of our friendship.
Yeah, true.
When I put my mouth on ground and talk.
True.
Yeah.
True. We got enough. We got a whole
We
heap
take
of
a whole
fight.
heap of fight. Yes.
Whole heap of fight.
Whole heap of fight.
But you see what?
I
The
went down
friendship withstand all them.
Yeah, I went and we used to go party. You know, them if people them were things that would have never grow up or never mount out to nothing. Then things they used to pass them remarks. We not go mount out to nothing. We love too much party. This and that and the devil know what. That's why, you know, it's important not to give up and bash young people. Yeah,
True.
because they're young. That's what they are. They're young. And sometimes it takes them a while to even decide what they want to do.
True.
It took us a long time to decide what exactly career path we wanted to take on.
Yeah.
Because you're so indecisive at a young age. 1 minute you're excited about something, and the next minute you're not excited about it again.
Yeah.
And that's okay. You know what I mean? That's okay. You have to give people time. You know, some people do it younger, some people do it older. But at the end of the day, you know, get up and pass judgment, because you can't know a person better than how them know themselves.
True.
And all who used to judge we think them know we better than how we know ourselves. Yeah, so that's what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah, then come around and kiki, and we kiki back. Yeah, but we know all the fight what we get. Yeah, we know all the fighting what we get, and we treat them nice same way. People will judge we. People will say all kind of shit about we.
Yeah.
We treat them, we kill them with kindness. We make it a point to kill them with kindness, because that's like the best revenge ever.
Yeah.
The best
When you
revenge
want to
is
get back at somebody, kill them with kindness.
kill them with
Don't
kindness.
give them the reaction that they're looking for.
Right.
And burn them more.
Yes, we kill them with kindness. Man, we show them an awesome time. We involve. Yes, man, we do for them.
Yeah.
These are the two
We go
same
above and
people.
beyond.
Above and beyond. These are the two same people wanna used to sit down and gossip about and chat so we need no mouth out to nothing.
Yeah.
See where you now. Yes. Social media is have its bad and it have its good. But it gives you an outlet too. And that's what people feel understand. It's an outlet for some of us influencers to come and have a voice and speak out on things that you hold inside of you for a long time. For years when you don't have, you don't have a, because we don't have no bag of friends. Yeah, we don't have no bag of friends. And then I like say, you have people where you can't talk to. But it's also an outlet to talk about things where you have built up inside of you, and to help other people who may have been going through the same things or will go through the same things, and how to angle it and maneuver and know so you can come out on the other side. Yeah,
And come up on top.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you have some young people out there that now might be a guy club and might be into just, living it up. Don't judge all of them so they now mount out to nothing and then now go become nothing because them love God party. Sometimes you just have to get that out of your system. And that's what we did.
We
got it out
of our system.
Yeah.
And then it was like no turning back. No turning back.
You get it out of your system. Because when you're young, there are things you want to do and experience, yes?
Of course.
And when we never turn to drugs or anything like that, thank God.
Right.
We just love to party and wind up ourselves and dance and all of that. Yeah.
Yeah,
but we were judged for that.
Yeah.
We were severely judged for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were judged for that. When then a thing say a man we got a party, we got a club for, them put them own reasoning behind why we love club. Them can't just say them love but enjoy themselves.
Go have fun.
I got have fun. It's always man. Yeah, man them. I must man them. Them have and this and that. Yeah. 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 But yeah. Just sharing to you guys what comes with our friendship. And you guys get to know us a little better. But it's not just, you all are seeing us when all is well. Yeah, but we used to, and at some point too, it used to get to us. It used to get to us. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, like it never bother we. It used to bother we, but we have each other where we talk about it too.
And get through it together.
And get through it together. Yeah.
Yeah.
We get through it together. Yeah. Yo, you have some people going, oh, I admire your friendship. Oh, you and Vanilla have been friends for so long. I wish I had a friendship like that. You guys inspire me. Well, you was the same one I used to chat with.
Yeah.
Yes.
Chat with behind my back.
Chat with behind my back. Yeah. And when Vanilla put on a little weight, They used to chat about her. Yeah, she no look good, she no this, she no that. See? You can't lose weight. But you see a dirty heart. Yeah?
You can't lose a dirty heart.
Yeah. Yeah. And a ugly inside. You can lose a dirty heart if you pray to God.
Yeah.
And change your ways. Yeah, but when it was somehow did ugly on the outside. Yeah, and still ugly. So she lose the weight now. Yeah, but when still remain ugly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Weight is sitting where somebody can lose. Yeah. Yes.
And Truman short.
And so she did, she's short. So for her weight, show up a lot.
Yeah.
That make the girl feel so insecure and bad. Yeah, at that point. But I was here to help her through it. And say, you're beautiful no matter how you look. Don't let people make you lose it. Lose it for you.
And I did.
And she lose it for her.
For me.
So when you want to lose it for you. Don't make nobody bully you into how you're supposed to look. Yes.
I lost that weight.
And when time you're ready to lose it, I lose it for me, not for nobody else. You understand? For me. Yeah. And me no want maga. Me been maga. Me just want to lose a little bit of my belly. A little bit of my breast. And get back my little skinny face. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. But for come down maga for fool no idea a model or beauty, can go somewhere with that. Go somewhere with that. Yeah, go somewhere with that.
And according to the doctors, I'm still overweight, I'm still overweight according to the doctors, but below myself the way me is.
Yeah. Wanna like it, don't watch.
That's right.
Yeah. I mean nah starve myself for please nobody. None! No. Not a soul. Yeah, don't like it, don't watch me. Me happy seeing we still alive. Yeah. Still can do whatever me want. Yeah, and enough of them we are going to talk about. Wait, enough of them can't whine and flexible like me. Me not ask. Me I tell you. Yeah. Enough of them are flexible like me. Yeah. Enough of
I
them.
have to stay out of your way.
Not flexible like me. Well, the kitchen I really want to sweep. But chew me and clean. I look there.
Of course I have it. No.
Yeah, you don't see nothing. I know. Yeah. Nobody now met. Yes. You want judge a party into? Yes. Me too, man. Big time. Big time. Yeah. Big time, people. But guys, we're going to come back on later. Come play some music. You know what it said that last Saturday night? But we promised tonight. We didn't say promise last night.
We didn't say promise last night.
We promised tonight. My daughter soon come. To come wash and braid up my ear for me. So now I make sure I finish what I do because she will come out. But mommy, I texted you and told you.
What time are you coming?
Yeah,
make sure you're ready.
You're ready. And you're not ready. Alright, so she said she want to give me crochet. I don't know. But we'll see how that works if it not hurt my head. But see you guys back here later on. Yeah, love you. And thank you for joining us. Yeah, love you guys.
Love you guys.
I hope we at least talk to somebody who can relate to what we have went through. Yeah. And no say no make nobody define you. Now get up and call anybody on friends. Yeah. Know your friend them different from opportunists. Know no friend them different from when people want just use, and when you're of no longer value to them drop you.
Like a hot.
Yes.
Like a hot.
Know that love is not just a one-way street. It's a two-way street. When you give it, it's supposed to be reciprocated and be given back to you in return. You're no less than anyone. So don't try to do things for people to like you. No. Let people love you, love you genuinely. And for who you are, who you truly are. Yeah. You understand? To love the core of you. Not just the shell of you, but the core of you. Alright? Have a wonderful day.
Have a blessed day, guys.
I love you guys, and there's nothing you can do about it. Join us back tonight again.
Yeah, come party with me.
Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself.
All right. Love you guys. Bye-bye.